Ever seen a dog eat sugar cane? Now they're fighting over it. Enjoying your sugar cane? Wow. Look at her go. I hope you're not gonna swallow that like when Michael Jackson. First time I saw him eating sugar cane, he tried to swallow it. Wow. Go girl. Look how you chew up that cane. Get this crib one. What did you do with yours? Oh, he's done with it. Look at that.